Hi everyone, this is Gabby with Our Decorative Nest, and today I have a really fun, easy Easter craft that could be done in just a couple steps. So for this craft, you're only going to need a couple items. You will need just a couple popsicle sticks, and then some pieces to decorate your piece with. So I started off painting my popsicle sticks the two colors that I wanted, hot glued them together, and now I'm going to add a couple details. Can you tell what we're making yet? Yup, you guessed it, a cute little Easter peep, perfect for home decor or putting on your holiday tree. Now to add just a couple facial features, we are giving some cute googly eyes, of course, and a little cute beak. Oh my goodness, isn't he just looking absolutely adorable? Now for my little chick, I did add some jute rope so I could hang it from our holiday tree. And just like that, we've made this adorable little Easter chick. Thank you so much for watching Our Decorative Nest. Don't forget to follow our page and sprinkle this video. Happy crafting!